Hello, welcome back to Driving and Learning. Today is another session, and today I have a special message for network marketers, for people in network marketing. One part of our business is to promote products and sell some products or services, and more and more people are buying products online. So why not take that opportunity or take that understanding and start promoting and selling more products online? And I'm going to show you or explain how to do this completely free. So all it takes is your time and a little bit of effort and a little bit of trying and testing, and then understanding, figuring out how exactly works the best for your product and your service. So this is how it works. There are websites, classifieds websites available on the internet, and one of them is really well known in Canada, and it's called Kijiji.ca. Kijiji.ca. Another one is Craigslist.ca. Craigslist.ca. So both of these websites are classifieds websites where you can just go online, and the good thing is you don't even have to create an account. You can just go online, go on that website, and then make a post about a product that you're selling. So realistically, list a product, explain what you're selling, put a price, put some photos or even a video along description, and start selling. And I'm telling you, people will come across your ad, your post, and will reply to that, and will get back to you and to ask for more information, and you will sell products. Simple as that. One tip that I want to add to this process is I used to put an ad, leave it there, and then this ad would run for a period of time, and eventually it would expire, and then I would renew this ad again completely free on both websites. On Kijiji, I think it runs for free for 6 weeks, and then you renew again, and you can keep going like that. On Craigslist, you can renew, I think, every week or so. But what I learned is if you do that, then very soon this ad sort of drops down to the next page, to the second page, third page, fifth page, and so on, and it gets lost within all these other ads. So if you're really serious about it, then what you should do is you should create an ad, post an ad, and then after 2 days you should remove that ad and then create a new ad, pretty much the same ad, but it's a new ad, and then it goes again on top of the list. So that way many more people will be able to find your listing, and that way many more people will respond, and you'll have a better chance to sell that product. Now keep in mind that both of these websites, Kijiji and Craigslist, you cannot make a sale on that website. So you cannot sell a product on those websites. You can only market them, you can only advertise them. And once there's somebody interested in these products, they will get back to you, they will reply to the ad, or they will give you a call if you put your phone number there, and then you arrange the method of delivery and pickup and so on when that person finds you on those websites. So they will find you there, they will respond, and they will come to pick up, or you can deliver the product and make a sale. I use traditional method to introduce products to people that I know, because I love these products and I'm proud to represent them and introduce them to people that I know. However, I also love to get sales online and introduce and find people that I don't know, because that way I can reach so many more people that I don't know. And there's so many people looking for different things online all the time, and if you keep promoting products, and if you keep advertising and making posts and good description for the products and pictures and videos, I promise you will make sales. So it's all about just putting in an action, making a commitment that you will continuously do this and learn along the process. So hopefully this was helpful, useful and that you can start implementing this and start enjoying online sales for yourself as well. I don't know for other countries, but for Canada this works quite well. It works for me, it works for other people, and it will work for you if you take your time and put an effort to start promoting and learning about it. And you can also subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be posting more useful video, more training, so that you can learn more and share it with your team as well. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.